This is section 9.6. It's the practice. We have a diagram with parallel lines and transversals. We want to line up the parts that correspond. I use my pen or my pencil or my finger to kind of trace over these segments as we name them. It makes it easier to see what goes with what. Segment PQ divided by segment QR must be the same thing as segment ST divided by segment TW. We did a lot of these exercises in our previous videos, so if you haven't seen these, you can always go back and watch those videos also. We'll do one more together, then we'll move to the bottom section. Segment TW compared with segment ST. That's the same thing as segment QR compared with segment PQ. Again, these ones are very similar to ones we've done. This is a very simple problem. These parts are proportional. That's what the theorem says. So 10 to x equals 8 to 12. And if you need help cross-multiplying, this is what you do. Multiply 10 times 12, divide by 8. That gives us 15. This is the same type of problem, only it's turned sideways. This problem is very similar to this one as well, except we're solving for this piece, this entire side. Remember, if these are congruent, then these are congruent. So this is 14, the whole thing's 28. In this one, 10/12 is going to equal x over x plus 2. Notice how the proportion looks exactly like the way the numbers look on the picture. We're going to cross multiply. We're going to get 12x equals 10 times the quantity x plus 2. We're going to subtract 10x from both sides. And then we're going to divide by 2. Number 11, they give us a word problem. They're telling us that segment YA is parallel to segment OE. And that's parallel to segment BR. Or lines. These are lines actually. But the segments would be parallel as well. If Y to O is 4, E to R is 16. A to R, that's this whole thing. I'm going to make a bracket. The whole thing's 24. We want to find the distance from O to B and the distance from A to E. Well, the distance from A to E is really easy to find. If this whole part is 24 and this guy's 16, then we know this is 8. And I can do this even without a proportion. I know these parts are proportional. Notice how this is 8/16. That's 1/2. Well, this needs to be 1/2 also, so that means this guy's 8. O to B is 8. A to E, ooh, that's 8 as well. Okay, 8 times 8, 64. 4 times 16, 64. That's how you know you're right.